This is how to make a simple weapon in Roblox Studio. First, you're going to want to add a tool into the workspace, and then after that, you want to rename it to weapon or whatever you want. Now add a part into the weapon or, well, the tool, and rename that part to handle, specifically with a capital H. Then add a script into the tool, and I'm just going to rename it to main. We're going to open the script here, and we're going to start off by adding a variable called tool, which will be script.parent, as the tool is the parent of the script. We're then going to add two variables, one for the range of the weapon and one for the damage that the weapon's going to deal. Now we're going to detect whenever the player actually activates the tool and, well, uses the tool. We're now going to create two variables, one for the character and one for the humanoid root part. Now we're going to add the parameters for the raycast we're going to use. Now we're going to actually create the raycast, and then we're going to see if the raycast actually detects something. Now we're going to see if the raycast, or, well, whatever the raycast hit, actually has a humanoid in it that can take damage. And if it does have a humanoid in it, we're going to make it take the damage of whatever we set the damage variable to at the start. And that's the entire script done, so let's just test it. So before we test it, we're just going to put the tool into the starter pack, so that when we load it in, we automatically have it in our inventory. And for testing purposes, if you go up to the avatar tab, rig builder, and then R6 rig, we can add a rig in so that we can actually, use the weapon as a weapon. And as you can see here, when I walked up to the rig, I clicked and it takes damage. So now, let's just see what it can really do.